Good morning. Well, had a bit of a bad night's sleep last night because we fully underestimated how cold it was going to get. Quite chilly, and now freezing, very, very freezing. But also very glad that we stopped off at Audi yesterday for this crazy, weird kind of camping sale thing that they had that like everyone was at, and we got all this really amazing like camping jackets and stuff. Well, we got a camping jacket and boots, merino stuff, and yeah, it's going to set us up really good for Canada. Here we are, here's the lovely lake, I'll show you that, look at that. So unfortunately, because we didn't have a great night's sleep, we missed the sunrise. So no amazing morning shots, and we're only here for a day, so I did get some nice night shots, and that's really what I wanted to do. We just had a lovely coffee. There's a lovely, gorgeous Vaughan. There's Vauneta there, hang on. She's just there, I'm under her armpit. And we're going to go and adventure around the rest of the lakes and see what's about.
And Mr. Hamburglar?
With the Hamburglar that is Rupert, the little dog. So yeah, we'll catch you a little bit later on when we've had a bit of brekkie and we've seen some cool stuff. Alright, catch ya.
Delicious, no one cooks eggs like you.
I have just spent 10 minutes trying to get the drone, the DJI Mavic Pro, up into the sky to show you how nice this will be from above. But I just run into troubles again, always with the DJI. Like it's about 50-50. Sometimes it'll be up in the air and it won't be a problem like last night. And then today there's just all these problems. The main tablet had run out of battery, so I thought I'd use the phone, and then I used the phone, and then the phone won't connect. So knocked that on the head pretty sharpish. So we're actually just going for a bit of a walk. There's some lovely dead trees and stuff here. Walking around. Look at this, like, hang on, there you go. Hang on, where are we? Lovely dead trees. If you're a photographer, that's lovely.
If you're a wildlife and parks ranger or conservationist,
yeah, if you're
maybe
a conservationist.
not so lovely.
Yeah. But we're going to go and give it an investigate. It looks pretty nice, but it could be a pretty boring walk. There's a walk here. What's it called? The Wait Gen. The Wait Gen trail. And
2.5 kilometers, 4 hours. It says one way, which goes past Snoring. The others that are there, Little Noring, Quabbering, and then here, 4 different lakes.
Yeah, so we're going to go and give that a bit of a go now, make the most of our day here. Maybe head into Wagen in a minute, you know, and have some liquid courage. Perhaps a little bit of a pub lunch, I don't know. The sun's shining. The sun is past the yard arm.
Yeah, that's right. The yard arm is long.
We shall catch you on the flip. And one more thing, this Pickering, Pickery-Dickery-Doo lake, there's not much wildlife here, so if you're a wildlife photographer, you're much better going to Noring, where like it was crazy loud last night because of all the birds.
They didn't stop, did they?
No, they... I'm just...
Overnight, even.
Yeah, they went on all night, didn't they? Yeah. So we are just come off the beaten track a little bit here, which is why I look very sheepish, because I'm trying to talk to you as well as navigate my way around all these dead trees. I don't know how long the path is around the lake, but it's quite a big lake. They're very deceptive. I think I said that last time. But there's a lot of foliage around, so I'm actually going to go. But I just thought you'd want to know. Okay. So I wasn't going to do a bit of a vlog here, but we stopped off at the Palace Hotel in Wagen, and we were pleasantly surprised by how nice the food was. And there's a good couple of beers. It's a lovely sunny day.
Nice beer garden.
It's a great beer
garden. Dog
garden.
friendly. Roops is happily sniffing around.
And we've been here for quite a few little couple of hours now, I would say. But I just wanted to say how good it was. Really, you should, if you're in the neck of the woods, come up to Wagen, have a bit of a look around. Not much to do here, but
dead.
It's pretty dead, isn't it?
Apart from the big giant ram.
Yeah, so you can check out the ram.
I don't know what people do around here. Anyway, they don't come to the pub either because it's not ram.
But yeah, just wanted to mention that it was pretty good. Worth a look. We didn't try any of the other ones because why would you?
There's only like one more.
Yeah, because there's only one more. So,
it looked even more dead than this.
We did a 50-50 split in this Palace one up, so yeah, we're just getting into the beers now.
Cheers.
Cheers. See you soon. Ciao.